Hello, welcome to the first tutorial of the 3 tutorials on 2D design. The objectives for these videos are to help you understand how CAD, that's computer aided design, CAD, can be used to help us when designing and to develop knowledge, understanding and skill when using a CAD program. And the CAD program we use in school is called 2D design. There are lots and lots and lots of CAD programs available, but 2D design is the one we use in school. Okay, so when you open up 2D design in school, it will look like this. So you have a white page with lots of tiny little black dots on, and you will have on the left hand side one menu, on the right hand side another menu. Now if those menus disappear during the course of the tutorial because you accidentally close them down, all you need to do is go to Window and Toolbox Reset. Okay, so you need to make sure you've got both of those menus available on screen. Okay, now on the left hand side, these are basically our drawing tools. So if you need to draw anything, write anything or delete anything, chances are you're going to need to use one of the tools on this side of the screen. Okay, the tools on the right hand side are the things that help us when we're drawing. Okay, so we've got zoom in and zoom out. We've also got these grid lock and step lock buttons. Now they're really important, and we'll come back to those a little bit later on. Now the button that's pressed at the moment on the right hand side is the little dots button. So if I click that off, you'll see that the page goes completely white. But normally when we're designing a 2D design, we like to have the dots there. Okay, now each one of those dots is 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters away from the dot next to, above or below it. Okay, so when we're measuring something out, so for example we need a piece of work that's 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, we can simply count the dots and that will help us get the real life size. Okay, so here we go. So it's a fairly simple program to use. So if I wanted to draw a straight line, for example, I could click on the straight line tool. I can draw any shape I like. If I need a circle, again, the circle tool. The circle works on the radius. So you click and it draws from the center outwards. Okay, there's also the square tool. If you click on the buttons as well, click and hold, lots of other buttons appear. So there are lots of different options underneath each of the buttons. There we go. There we go. So if I wanted a triangle, just click and hold on the rectangle button and I can draw a triangle. I can also draw a curvy wavy line and I can draw an arc. Okay, lots of basic shapes there. I can also write my name. I can change the font just in here. Here we go. If I want to pick something up and move it in 2D design, I need to go to this tool here. This is the move tool. So let me show you. Click on there and then you click on the object you want to move, and then these little yellow squares appear. They're called image handles. Now in order to move the object, I need to click once on the square in the middle and click a second time to drop it down. Okay, and same if I wanted to move something else, click once and then click again to drop it down. If I want to change the color of any lines, that's nice and easy. Just select the object and go to the top of the screen where it says col, so that's short for color, next to the line button, and then I can choose any color I like. Okay. If I want to delete something, that's nice and easy too. Just to go over to your drawing tools, and at the bottom of the stack you see del any, that means delete any. So I can delete any objects I like. If you click and hold on the del any tool, you can delete part of a line where 2 lines cross. So the second option there is to delete part of a line. So let me show you what that does. So instead of deleting the entire line, it just deletes part of the line. Okay. And that's it for the first tutorial. It would be a really good idea if you spend just a little bit of time practicing using the tools that I've shown you so far before you start the proper tasks in the next video.